How to send 3,000 free SMS text blasts every single month. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can send over 100 free SMS text blasts every single day. That is right. Every single day, you're going to be able to send over 100 SMS text blasts completely for free. You don't need X leads. You don't need any of this stuff. You can actually just SMS text blast with no money, no fees, nothing. You can start getting in front of sellers right now that costs no money at all. Now, there is a very important disclaimer that I have to give you though, if I'm gonna show you how to SMS text blast for free. It is free, it costs no money. Yes, it is completely no cost, but there is something you are gonna have to pay for, which is your time. So you are trading your time for having no money, which is not the end of the world, right? Like, we got no money, like we gotta get some deals, right? I get it, but you should understand that there's gonna be a lot of sweat equity involved. You gotta remember, this is not like using X leads for SMS text blasting, where you click a button and send 1,000 texts out. It's a lot of work. It ain't the easiest thing in the world. So that being said, if we understand that, yes, we're gonna have to put some muscle into this, we can start getting some deals. Now, what I use for free SMS text blasting is Google Voice. Now, there's a lot of what ifs here on how many texts you can send out a month and every single day and really per hour while following my rules. Now, a lot of people really get messed up with their SMS text blasting because they go out here and they feel like they can go on Google Voice and send 500 texts in an hour and instantly, boom, they get banned. That is not how you're supposed to go about using Google Voice for free. My rule with Google Voice texting is 5 texts per hour per account. Now, you might be like, Zach, whoa. Like, dude, that is way, way, way too slow. And it might seem like it's not a lot, but it does add up over time. So let's do 5 texts per hour for 12 hours a day, right? That's gonna be about 60 texts per day, multiplied by 30. That's about 1,800 texts a month, which honestly, that's a lot. That's not a low number or a number to scoff at. If you did your pre-foreclosures and probates, it's not too bad. Now, where you start getting in some, I'd say, deep trouble is if you're doing like 10 or 15 texts a day. Like that's just not enough volume. And so what I would tell you to do here is if you can get 2 Google Voice accounts, so you need a phone to do 1 Google Voice account, right? You need a number. Maybe you can find somebody that doesn't have a Google Voice account, just use their phone number for a login. You can always create a bunch of Google accounts. What I prefer is if you have a wife, spouse, boyfriend, aunt, uncle, mom, dad that doesn't use Google Voice. I can tell you at least half of those people I just mentioned in your life probably don't. Even some best friends or friends like that. They'll be happy to let you use their phone number as a connection on Google Voice because it costs no money at all. They just got a verified number on there so you don't abuse the system. You could probably, if you got some ingenuity here, get 4, 5, or 6 numbers. Let's say you get 3, right? Well, some quick math, that means we can do 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 times 3 is 15. We do 15 texts per hour for, let's say, 10 hours. That's 150 texts per day. And 150 texts per day multiplied by 30 is a whopping 4,500 texts you could send out completely for free. So you're kind of seeing how powerful this can be as a system when you have no money. But with great power comes great responsibility. And you could send a lot of text out, but if you're using the wrong scripts and you don't know what you're saying, might not be good. So what I want you to do is create a Google Voice account, hopefully get somebody else's phone number and have multiple of these accounts. And then from there, I want you to get a system where you can send about 5 texts out every single hour for the next 12 hours every single day. Now, you really can't complain to me. I don't want to hear it, okay? You have no money, you have no cash, you have no excuses out here, okay? So I don't want to hear it from you that, oh, I can't do it, it's too much work. You're broke, you got no excuses here. Now, once we get that set up and we have the ability to do this, right? What I prefer to do is, I know this sounds draconian, I know this sounds pretty stupid, but go on your phone and set a 1-hour timer and have it repeat every single hour. If you are somebody that works from home, this definitely makes your life a lot easier, but an hour alarm on your phone so you know to remember, oh, gotta do my 5 texts. I know this sounds stupid, but if you're able to get like 3 lines, that's 4,500 a month in texting, it's pretty dang good. And the reason why this type of texting actually works better than paid texting, even beats X leads on texting, because there's zero opt-out language at all. Now, to send 4,500 texts using X Leads probably costs you around $38, $39, which I think is awesome and great, but you gotta remember this too. It is easier just to send 4,500 texts in a month, like really quick, really simple, really awesome with X Leads, but X Leads does have opt-out language. And unfortunately, when you're able to send like 90,000 texts a month with X Leads, you're gonna have some regulatory stuff in there and A2P stuff like that. But Google Voice is absolutely for free. Now, there's a lot less systems to Google Voice and things, but the big benefit of Google Voice, besides it's completely free, is there's no opt-out language. Like there's zero opt-out language at all, which is pretty dang cool. Now, what I'm going to tell you from here is you're going to want to use a really awesome script. Now, the script that I recommend for you is what I call my double whammy script. Now, what is my double whammy script? Again, my double whammy script is a script where you ask them a question and then you hit them with that you are looking to buy their property for cash on the second text. So a double whammy script might go something like, hey, is this the owner of 123 Main Avenue? And it might be like, yeah, who is this? Or it might be like, hey, I just drove by the house. Is everything okay? I'm like, what's going on? And then you hit him with the double whammy, like the second text. Well, hey, me and my partner are looking to buy a couple properties in the area for cash. I'll sing if you're interested in selling it. Now, I know that doesn't seem like the traditional wholesaling real estate SMS scripts your grandma taught you, but this is the new age of wholesaling. These double whammy scripts work and they really get good results. Now, what kind of lists are best for SMS text blasting on Google Voice when you have no money? I know this sounds crazy, but government lists, by far, bar none, one of the greatest, best ways to SMS text blast. It is way better SMS text blast a government list of code violations, probates, fire damage properties, the divorce list, stuff like that, over just a general X Leads high equity list, because there's just less saturation. There's less people being able to do it. I mean, any Joe Schmo could go to X Leads, get a 7-day free trial, pull 1,000 leads all skip traced, and throw that sucker into text blast software versus going out here and getting the probates and pulling the code violations. Yes, inside of Wholesaling.com, we have our entire spreadsheet of where all the government lists are across the country, but it is less saturated than going out here in X Leads. On top of this too, a drawing for dollars list is absolutely amazing for SMS text blasting. Again, less saturation, it's an earned list, which means you can't go out there and go buy the list, right? You have to actually go there and earn it, right? You can't spend money to get this list. You actually have to go out here and earn this list. So if you have a list of government lists and drawing for dollars lists, this is going to give you the best results possible. And I'm telling you, even if there's less of them, right? Like texting 500 probates is going to be just as good as calling maybe 3,000 high equities or 3,000 tired landlords from just like a paid software like X Leads. Now, what I prefer you to do, and this is definitely depending on your time budget, really, I mean, not money budget because it costs no money to do this, but it really depends how much time you have towards wholesaling. I would really prefer that, let's say you have a list of 500 drawing for dollars leads. I would rather you go and cold call that list first, record everybody that didn't pick up the phone, and then after that, go and text all those leads. So text the no answers. That would be the best way possible if I was drawing for dollars right now. I would call all the drawing for dollars lists, maybe get a 20% response rate, which means 80% of those people don't pick up the phones. I would go text those people. That means the 20% that answered the phone, I don't have to text them, which gives me more texts to give out, because our biggest constraint here is how many texts we could send out per day and per hour. So making sure that is the lowest it possibly can be by eliminating everyone that we already went on the phone with is going to be the best way to have success wholesaling houses in 2025. What kind of skip tracing should you be using? I highly, highly, highly recommend, I mean, it's not even a recommendation, it's like a must. I say you go to X Leads, get a 7-day free trial at xleads.com. And in that free trial, you're gonna be able to pull 1,000 skip traces completely 100% for free. So in the trial, you can get Ninja Mode, right, all these cool things, but you can also go out here and upload 1,000 free skips from your government list in there. You can pull this on X Leads, get 1,000 absolutely for free, and then use that for your skip tracing. Now, you can't get that every single month, and it's only a 7-day free trial. But for anybody watching this that hasn't done it, like, please, like, go out here and do it. Now, go out here, set your timer, text these people every single hour. And what I want you to do is make it a really, really big thing, but make sure you get on the phones as soon as you possibly can with these leads. This is very, very important. If the seller shows any inkling of looking to sell the property, get on the phone and go out here and get that appointment, get that offer, and get that deal done. Now you can learn more about my texting scripts and how to close sellers and my MCTP in my free wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com. But once they're qualified, they are looking to sell the property, get on the phone, get that appointment, or just virtually get that offer out there and get that deal locked up as soon as you possibly can. Now, if you want to get even more dialed in on the double whammy scripts, again, freewholesaling.com, we teach that. I would use an AI software that is completely free, Grok AI, which is XAI, right? I use ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever one you want to use. And I'd use Grok AI to go out here and get the best text for your double whammy script. So you can upload that CSV of the skip trace numbers and tell Grok or any AI to go create unique text for each one based on our double whammy scripts. You can get awesome unique text. You can just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. This is super, super important, but do not, please, 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 no, please don't do this. Don't use the same dang script when you're sending out 4,500 or 3,000 texts for the month. That is one of the worst possible things you can do. You're gonna get spammed, it's not gonna work, and you're gonna come back crying to me like, it ain't working for me. The reason why it ain't working is because you are using the same dang script. Don't say, hey, I just drove by your house at 123 Main Avenue and just switch the address. Use a different, unique script every time. And the cool part is, with AI, you have unlimited capabilities here. You can do unique text from every single AI prompt you give it. And then from there, we're gonna have to answer some texts. So you're gonna get a lot of common questions after you send these texts out, after you ask them if they are interested in selling the property. And it's important we know how to answer these people. So one of the most common one is, well, who is this and what do you want? Well, it's pretty easy. You know, my name's Zach. I'm looking to buy a couple properties in the area for cash, and I'm seeing if you're interested in selling the house. Well, give me an offer for your house. Well, I need to know more about the property before I give you a solid cash offer. So okay, if I call you and ask a couple questions about the property, right? You want to move the conversation over to a call to go out here and get that lead on the phone. The point of texting isn't to close them over text. It's just to get them on the phone so we can go meet them at the house, give them the offer, or actually give the offer over the phone and get these deals done. It's all about getting people who are cold into interested in selling the property and then giving the offer. Offers, offers, offers. So if you're ready to get started, SMS text blasting completely for free, do me a favor. Join my free wholesale community, freewholesaling.com, and make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.